I told you we should have brought an umbrella. You said it was too heavy, and now look at us.
How was I supposed to know it'd rain this hard? I'm not psychic.
Why are you yelling at me? Hey!
I'm not yelling at you. You started it.
Were you about to run in the rain, kitten? Hop in.
Hi there. Mind if we share a ride? You can just drop us off near where you're headed.
$5,000 each.
Why is it so high?
That's ridiculous.
It's the fare for the N109 zone. It wouldn't be weird for an unlicensed taxi driver to keep tabs on his passenger, right? I would have played along with your surprise, but as you can see, the weather had other plans. Still, you did manage to surprise me. Your hair's soaked. There's a towel in the door pocket. It probably got scraped a couple of days ago when I was being chased. Their aim was hilariously bad. They kept shooting at me, and emptied their magazines too. But that's all they could do. I forgot to fix it. Are you unsatisfied, kitten? Even so, it's too late to get out of the car and walk on foot. Exhausted? If I'd known you were this excited, I would have brought it back before you left. It's not going anywhere on its own. Get some rest. What is it? Of course. It's nice to know I'm worth more than my motorcycle. Welcome back. You're eager to go out, huh? You're not even concentrating on our game. That dart is too light for you. Come here. I'll switch out its flight. It hasn't been maintained in ages, but it can work. You're imagining things. It's only obvious if you compare me to a certain someone. You're always smashing your knuckles when chambering rounds. Your bones or the gun. Which one is tougher? The bruise was almost gone when you left. I guess a lot of wanderers in River Isle had a rough couple of weeks. That's assuming anyone can injure me in the first place. Besides, I'm not always sneaking into no-hunt zones. Most weapons don't make it past scanners. You'll be at a disadvantage if you rely on them too much. My business isn't exactly normal, kitten. A double bowl is better. I'll make 2 more with this weight later. Let's go. We have plenty. The target is about to bite the dust, though. If we keep this up, my load-bearing wall might be next. Is there another place you want to visit? My soprano just went off key. You cheered a little too hard at the finale. That's probably why your throat hurts. I'll cut you some slack. I could tell. Which part did you like the most? Are we picking up the bike first, or are we still pretending to be law-abiding citizens? Wait for me in the car.
What will our Lincoln night owls do tonight?
Tired? Sure, I'm all ears. Probably. I'm sure those researchers will survive with you in the audience. What are we doing after? Did you catch a cold? Well, you're warm at the very least. How are you feeling? You're sick, which means you should rest. Even the toughest body can't withstand an onslaught inside and out. Relax. You're my hostage now. Where's the nearest hospital, my dear Lincoln citizen? Can you give me directions?
Destination, Eterno Central Hospital. You are 4.9 kilometers away. Initiating navigation.
The cough syrup's for coughs. The fever meds are for when you're at 38 degrees Celsius or higher. Give me your phone.
Meow meow. It's not time for you to take your medicine.
What about me? When it comes to alarms, let the pros handle it. The cuteness is part of their charm. Besides, this one reminds me of you.
Meow meow. It's not time for you to take your medicine.
I've never nursed anyone back to health before. Do you mind if I give it a try? Why are you looking at me like that? What? Did the fever make you delirious? Why are you grinning? I messed up. We won't know if it's correct until we test it.
How to change your blanket cover all by yourself. Super easy.
You sleep like you're trying to conquer the bed. You need to stay bundled up so you don't catch a cold. You can't sleep like that? You look lively. You're feeling better now? It does? It's really bad, huh? That bagel with bacon and pork floss is going into my stomach, I guess. Oh, and we can't forget the coffee. Sick people should stick to bland food. Lincoln Literary Weekly. At dusk, orderly daytime streets grow restless. It's as if someone pressed the fast-forward button on everything. The night sky crawls overhead at a pace you can practically see. It melts with the sunlight to create a sweet, sugary glow. Why are you fidgeting so much? Where does it hurt? Do you want to lie down on the couch while I read? Is this really the time to play video games? You said your eyes hurt. He's asking why I disappeared for an entire day and night. You're still not over it. Are you sure? You said you had a headache and your throat and eyes aren't doing so great either. You're so energetic. You really did recover, kitten. A fierce cat is cute when it acts sweet every once in a while. I haven't seen anyone do it before. How would I know? Talk about heartless. I dote on you all day, but Frostfly still wins in the charisma department. There are extra bagels in the fridge. Make sure to toast them. I'll be here around noon tomorrow at the latest. Stay put and don't wander around. I know.
It's medicine time. Please take 2 white pills.
Meow meow, it's not time for you to take your medicine. Meow meow, it's not time.
You're awake. You sound hoarse. Another fever? Yeah, I'm on the road. You sound like you're acting tough. Are you sure you don't need me? All right, then. I was planning to send a dark messenger to look after you, but I guess that won't be necessary. You should be there soon. Oh, right. He's not exactly dark anymore, thanks to the stickers you slapped on him. Why so quiet? Are you mad? Can't you give Mephisto a chance? Just open the window. Uh-oh. You can't tell whether I'm a bird or not. Are we sure you're still fine? Let's check your temperature. You think you can dodge the thermometer? I can still get a reading. Still warm. Really? You sound even weaker than you did on the phone. You feel worse because I'm here? What do you do then? Poor thing. Tell me, how can I make you feel better? Fixing that is easy. Can you still hold on to me? Airflow's good. You'll cool down quickly. It's nice, right? Is there another difficult request? That's difficult to you? Then we'll get the same virus. I'm not good at taking care of sick people. That kiss was me projecting my feelings. I hope it wasn't too bad. I'm right here. Go back to sleep. Do you want to rest some more? Hungry? I'm surprised you have enough energy to worry about that. You're strong. It's just that your body decided you needed to take a break. Honestly, I think the chance to waste time with you is rarer than any vacation. And I want to cherish every second of it. Don't pause it. I'm still watching. So, why is the Wanderer like that? It's ugly. At your service. Aren't you bored? This should keep you entertained. He pulled off the stickers you gave him. Don't reapply them. Stickers peel off too easy. These parts are sturdier. Calm down and don't move. I'm going to cook. Have fun, kitten. If you can't figure out how to attach them, call me. Birds return to their nests while people hurry home to eat a hot meal for dinner. What's wrong? You look like you just ate a lemon. Hmm? Ah, I see you're overthinking again. If our roles were switched, you'd be way better at taking care of me. I think I got a great deal. That doesn't mean it never happens. But when you live in a world where only the strong survive, you learn to hide your wounds. To be honest, you're just as stubborn as I am when it comes to toughing things out. Don't celebrate too early. I'll eventually collect what I'm owed. Now that I have someone who's ready to spoil me, you better expect me to take full advantage of it. Good ventilation. You're wrapped up so tight under the blanket. You can't cool down like that. You're ill and only I can help you recover. Unlucky. Pick a cooler spot. If you feel uncomfortable, just say so. Airflow's good. You'll cool down quickly. It's nice, right? Is there another difficult request? That's difficult to you? I'm not good at taking care of sick people. That kiss was me projecting my feelings. I hope it wasn't too bad.